Hey everyone, I got my pop-on veneers, the top ones. A couple days ago I wanted to do a video on how well or how good they look on me. I'm going to show you what I look like without them in, and then I'll show you what I look like with them in. Terrible. Love them. They're believable. I can speak better. I feel like my mouth is more proportional to how it should be. They're great. I can eat with them. It doesn't damage it at all. So I'm very, 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 very happy with my new smile. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers.